Roller bearing. Function. Supports heavy radial loads and some axial loads using cylindrical rollers. Application. Used in conveyor systems, gearboxes, and heavy machinery. Ball bearing. Function. Handles both radial and axial loads with low friction using spherical balls. Application. Common in electric motors, wheels, and household appliances. Tapered bearing. Function. Manages combined radial and axial loads with tapered rollers. Application. Found in car hubs, gearboxes, and precision machinery. Fluid bearing. Function. Uses a thin layer of liquid or gas to support loads with minimal friction. Application. Used in high-speed spindles and turbines. Sleeve bearing. Function. Provides support through a sliding motion with a simple cylindrical design. Application. Common in small electric motors and appliances. Cylindrical bearing. Function. Handles high radial loads with long cylindrical rollers. Application. Used in electric motors, pumps, and rolling mills. Needle bearing. Function. Supports high radial loads in a compact space using thin cylindrical rollers. Application. Found in automotive transmissions and aerospace components. Thrust bearing. Function. Manages axial loads in one or both directions using balls or rollers. Application. Used in automotive clutches and propeller shafts. Pillow block. Function. Houses a bearing to support a rotating shaft, mounted on a pedestal. Application. Common in conveyor belts and industrial machinery. Plane bearing. Function. Supports loads through a sliding surface, often self-lubricating. Application. Used in car engines and simple mechanical devices. Angular contact bearing. Function. Handles combined radial and axial loads with contact angles for stability. Application. Found in pumps, compressors, and vehicle wheels. Plumber block. Function. Similar to pillow block, supports a shaft with a mounted bearing. Application. Used in heavy-duty machinery and industrial equipment. These bearings are essential for reducing friction and supporting loads in various mechanical systems.